ignore my bed. I'm doing laundry, as you saw at the beginning of this video. Today's Friday, full transparency. I got back from a guy's house this morning. I'm going to go see It Ends With Us tonight. I'm so excited. I read the book before I even knew that it was going to be a movie. Hi, I'm calling to see if Kristen is available. I've been getting facials from her for like the last 6 months. Prescription medicine for my skin. This has been a long time coming. What my skin looks like right now. I really hope this really helps to, over time, make them go away. November 16th is 3 months. I'm gonna do like a monthly check-in. Ready for our evening activity, which is going to see This Is Us. I'm so excited. It's in like 45 minutes, but you know there is the 15-minute previews. We're good. I'm going to be as comfortable as possible because it's a long movie and you want to be comfortable while you're watching a movie. So I'm wearing this bodysuit, wearing some sneakers. I'm smuggling wine into the theater. My vlog camera. I also have lots of tissue in here because we're gonna be crying. Excited for movie theater food because I never get it. Also wearing my blue light glasses because we need to protect our eyes. I feel like no one talks about that enough. You need to protect your eyes every day, but especially when you're watching a movie on a humongous screen. Wear your blue light glasses, ladies. Future NK popping in to talk about something I wear truly every single day. As you heard in the previous clip, it is extremely important to protect your eyes against the harmful effects of blue light rays, which are from screens such as your phone, TV, projectors. If you're wondering where to start, that's where Vooglam comes in. Kind thank you to Vooglam for sponsoring today's video. I love switching out my frames and I'm going to show you 4 pairs that I recently got from Vooglam and let me know which ones are your favorite. All of them come with this cute orange fuzzy packaging and each one comes with a lens wipe. I use one every single day for content. Here are frame number 1. These are very cute. I really like this shape. Okay. Here are frame number 2. Look at the detailing there. That is so fun. Something else I love about the Vooglam website is that there are hundreds of different types to choose from. There are times where I like to keep it simple, but then sometimes I want to be a little funky and a little out of the box. So then I want to grab a pair like this. How fun. I look so studious. I look so smart. Ooh, I like this shape a lot. I feel like this is giving very cool girl. One of the best parts about Vooglam is that it is also customizable. Vooglam provides a wide variety of stylish frames and you can choose to add blue light blocking lenses to your frames, whichever frames you want, to protect your eyes from negative side effects of digital screens. Whether you're a busy college student, the everyday person scrolling on TikTok, or a content creator editing videos like myself, these are an essential. Use code NKMadani15 for 15% off your order. Thanks again, Vooglam, for sponsoring today's video. It was a very great movie. You should go see it. Oh, it's a romance drama. Because it's not really a comedy.
No, it's been like controversial because it's obviously there's like, you know, abuse and domestic whatever, and so it's like,
so that's
it's not like
a little
a
warning
romance.
there. 34th Street?
Yes.
I'm back home. It is 10:30 p.m. and we are going to do our nighttime skincare. Also prescribed me tretinoin. I am double cleansing with my gentle cleanser, tretinoin, moisturizer. Take my spironolactone. I did it. Can't see anything. It's making sounds. Tell me why I walked into T-Mobile. I wasn't even there for like a minute and my phone turned on. My phone turned on when the associate held my phone. Let's start getting ready for brunch and the softball game. We're going to brunch, but then we're going to a softball game. I'm thinking shorts. I've been wearing it a lot. Cowboy boots because it's such a moment. Like baseball is kind of adjacent to softball. Basketball, still sporty, but not the same thing. This is what we came up with. It's a good mix of like casual, cute / sporty. We just got off the bus. Deja's already there. I can see Daily Provisions. We have our cute little matching food. Matcha. I'm trying just like an iced vanilla matcha. I guess we can just walk to the park. It's actually really good. Oh, good catch. Hello you guys, I'm back from being out today to brunch at Daily Provisions. Super good, really recommend it. It is like an elevated casual place. Softball game in Central Park, which was super fun. So I got to meet my friend's boyfriend, watch their team play, and that was really fun. And then we went to go get gelato at Anita Gelato. Super good, highly recommend. I've never been, but I've seen it and heard about it multiple times. And then I came back here, but as I was heading home, it started to rain. I pretty much got drenched. I'm actually really happy I had a hat, so at least my head didn't get wet. There's obviously so many ways you can make salmon, but I found this recipe on TikTok. I'll link it down below, and I really enjoy making it this way. For 11 minutes.
Coast region now.
Ready for church. It is 75 degrees. I feel like I look like a grandma. I just got off the train. I'm half a block away from church. And Claire's not here right now, but they brought me to church and they're so sweet for that. Got done with church. It was really nice to see the girls. Now I want to go to Bedford Studio, which is a coffee shop I've been meaning to go to for so long. Apparently their strawberry matcha is the best. I have to say I just started my period and I'm craving all the sugar and super hormonal. Because it's Sunday, the day of rest. We get ready to go to her birthday party. Been a really lovely weekend. I've seen a lot of friends, different groups of people who I appreciate in all different ways. I'm gonna put the link to the TikTok there because it is a TikTok shop item. So flattering. I've been exaggerating. Like, so many strangers went out of their way to stop me and say, this is a stunning dress, you look great, this is a great color on you, I love the cut. I'm like, you're too kind, thank you so much. Want to be cute and match with me, you should get the dress as well. Oh, did I say that I started my period today? I'm so like bloated and feel just, I feel all the emotions. I feel very bloated, I feel very like tired. Here is my outfit. Also, making my lunch. I don't talk about guys super often, but when I do, I feel like it's dramatic. There's this guy who I matched with on Bumble back in January of this year. So we're talking over 6 months ago. And okay, this does not happen to me a lot. It doesn't. It doesn't because I've been through this a lot, and it doesn't happen very often. Where there's just such an instant connection, a spark. I mean, oh my God. I'm gonna eat my chicken salad. Ready for the birthday party. Put together the outfit I already showed you guys. I'm happy how it came together. I will link this down below. Bathroom at Botanica. The birthday party has been so much fun so far, and I was just doing some contemplating and reflecting as I do. I am a little tipsy. You know what? My life is like not bad. Things are okay despite my stress. Like Sunday night right now, I don't have anything that is particularly stressful right now, which is rare because I stress about so many things. Friends, I'm having a good time. I have nowhere I have to rush to, which is also rare. I always have to rush somewhere. I'm just enjoying this time, meeting new people also. These are the moments that pass so quickly and I never clock it. So I'm clocking it right now. We're back. What time is it? Almost 11 p.m. What a day. I have my pizza from Prince Street. I'm gonna heat up. I'm gonna sit and eat my pizza and then go to bed. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys in my next one.